One of my fans brought this phone to me this morning and I asked her what is the problem of the phone, and she told me that the phone mistakenly fell inside water. According to her, she said that so many engineers have tried working the phone, but the phone still display white. She contacted me on Facebook and WhatsApp with chats and I directed her. She visited my shop this morning. Guys, I'm very happy. She was begging, Father Joe, please, I want to come and know your shop. Finally, she visited my shop this morning with the phone. So guys, I'm going to fix the phone live here for you guys to see. And according to her, she said that so many engineers have tried putting different types of screen, it's not working. So I'm going to fix the phone live here today so that you guys can see. Please guys, if you love my content, please do not forget to follow me, share my video, like, comment. Thank you. God bless you. So let me start the video. Right here, as you can see, I'm with itel 2160. This phone is so popular, it's everywhere now. So let me put battery now so that I can show you the problem of the phone. According to her, she said that the phone is displaying white. So that means nothing is showing on the screen exception of the backlight. So let me turn on the phone now. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Here we go. Woo! Guys, can you see that the itel logo is not coming up? It's showing white. For you to fix this issue, engineers, listen to me very carefully. First of all, check the capacitor that is filtering the current that is connected to the screen. It is very important. Check the capacitor first. You can use multimeter to read it, but there are sometimes capacitors spoil without breaching. That's number one. Two, there are sometimes capacitors spoil without physical damage, and you can even use multimeter to read them, and they will not even show in your multimeter that they are breached, that they are short. So you need to do a thorough troubleshooting. So guys, right here you can see that I'm trying to remove a capacitor. Can you see this small capacitor? This capacitor is in charge of filtering the current that is connected to the screen, right? So what I will do now, because the capacitor is not good, so I need to remove the capacitor. So let me zoom for you to see. So guys, can you see the particular capacitor that I'm removing? So do not remove any capacitor you see so that you will not spoil the phone. Guys, can you see I finally removed the capacitor? Guys, can you see? Can you see the capacitor is not good? So engineers, please, I recommend you replace the capacitor after you have removed it. You can use your workstation to do it, or you can use your hand blower to do it. So let me put battery now for you to see. Here we go. 1, 2, go. Guys, can you see now we have itel logo and the phone is working now. The screen is showing, so there's no need of changing screen, putting this one. Guys, can you see? So I finally worked this phone. Guys, right now she is smiling, she is happy, she's dancing right now. Guys, I'm very happy for her too. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to follow me, like, comment and share. God bless you. I am Father Joe, the phone repair. So share my video. God bless you. Bye bye. I love you so much. Bye bye for now.